Hello everyone, welcome to week 7. This is exam 1 week, so this will be a great opportunity for you to showcase a lot of your learning that you've done over the past 7 weeks. So you're going to have to log into the course content section, scroll down and reach exam 1. It's multiple choice questions, so be sure to take advantage of the opportunity and take your time in doing the exam. Have all week to finish it, all the way up until Sunday end of day, and that's not tomorrow, but a week from then, of course, right? Because I do this video on the Saturday before the week begins. So take your time. I don't have a study guide for exam 1. I never do, so I want to see how you're participating in learning the material for exam 2 and the final exam. Of course, I will have a study guide, but your research or review questions should really help you in this exam, because a lot of the questions that you see in the review questions are the same ones in exam 1. You're not going to have multiple opportunities to complete the exam. However, it is, in its own element, self-paced, and I think that you're going to do really well. You have to open it with the correct browser, right, like you've done before, so be sure to go about that in the correct way. And reach out if you have any questions. Just email me if needed, and I can walk you through any issues that you might have. But overall, I think all of you will do well because you've really participated excellently and you've taken advantage of the opportunities to study so far this semester with our review question success. So let me know if you need anything. I think you'll do well. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much.